In this quick guide, we will explore how to add leading zero to ensure a fixed number length in your Excel cell. Begin by selecting the cells or column where you want to add leading zero. Right click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the menu. Select Custom in the type field, enter the custom format code. For example, if you want to 6 digit, uh, you have to use 0 6 times. This code indicates that the number should have 5 digits and any missing digits will be filled with leading 0. Now press OK. Now you can see all numbers have begin 0. Now if I type any number, you can see each number should have start with 0 and 6 digit.